Yeah, I want to see rain in Karamoja. Just rain heavily. Just covered all the place. The river down there, I can see, you see the river there flooding so heavily. So I'm in a rock outside town, and it has rained heavily in town. But the rain got me when I'm not in town, so it caught me when I'm this side of the rock. But there's some buildings next to the rock, so I was in one of the buildings, and it started raining heavily. So I want to take you through what rain it means. Rain in Karamoja. See, the rivers are flooded. We have seasonal rivers. We don't have permanent rivers here in Karamoja. Then my camera can capture very well. But down there, you see, these are rivers. Seasonal river. This water is going up to Sorority, Teso region. Now the sky has cleared up, but I think now for town there will be no rain, or there will be some drizzles at night. But for the outskirts, there's too much rain still. The other side of Kachiri, there's still rain. So this is how it is. There's too much rain in Karamoja, but now the rain comes in one season. And that's lightning. One season of rain, and it's basically very tough season. It rains so heavily, destroys crops. See the river flooded, and now there's no one to try to move the other side. People are staying where there's no bridge. They cannot cross over to the other part of the town. You can see the rain down there. Radio, how are you? Radio, hi. So basically, this is how it rains. It's heavy, yes, but any downpour comes with a lot of what? No, our soil cannot hold rain for a long time. Our soil is kind of sandy in nature, so rain doesn't hold rain for a long time. So check for yourself. See, it has rained heavily in town, heavily in town, not in town but everywhere. That river is called Longiro. Longiro is one of the best rivers we have in Kotido. Seasonal, yes, but it's a tough one. It has taken very many people. People have died. But once it floods, no one crosses to Kanawad the other side, unless before the bridge was made. Now that you have a bridge, people can cross to Kanawad. Check. So I'm in a rock called Kalakuruk, you see? On top of the rock, checking the rain. So guys, I'm going to end live. I'm going to go on TikTok live right now. I'm continuing with the live. Thank you.